Hi guys, ako si Angela. Ay, sorry guys, naaway ko kayo. Ngayon, manonokbang tayo ng chicken. Chicken pala, ulit. Ulit. Ito yung flower ko, sunflower. Pew! Palot. Kulay pink, kulay lilo. Ito yung orange.
Saan ang kulay dito?
Ano kasi si mama kakabatrep? Mama!
Started walking to the club and everyone was asking for a picture and congratulating me. I was so excited to see Marshmallow. Nothing to ruin my plan until I've never been to this hotel before. It turns out Marshmallow saw my last video and I love it, dude. We're doing that because we love it.
Siguro wala ko ba? Si Angela. Tubig naman. Ay, tigal. Ikot. Eh, tubig pala. Ah! Teka lang guys, nalaglag yung takip. Nakaihilan. Joke lang. Ay, bibubu. Utalirilalat. Mama, okay na ito mga white?
Brain surgery is sometimes performed while the patient is awake, and this is done to help surgeons avoid damaging critical brain areas. You see, they'll ask the patient to perform tasks.
Tinuruan ako ni Mama, ikaw hindi.
And by directly observing their responses, surgeons can precisely navigate around crucial brain regions, ensuring essential functions remain intact. Brain surgery is sometimes performed while...
Dude, you ate Dad's birthday cake? No.
This guy just recorded the most expensive short ever.
How many Apple Pencils can open?
How much do you think you're spending?
1 Apple Pencil. 2 Apple Pencils. 3 Apple Pencils. 4 Apple Pencils. 5 Apple Pencils.
Wala kang merenda?
6 Apple
Umuha ka sa akin.
7 Apple Pencils. 8 Apple Pencils. 9 Apple Pencils. Oh,
This guy just recorded.
Hey, Mr. Witch.
Teka lang.
Yes, let me grab the ingredients. Just watch my stuff, okay? But I'm blind. Okay, are you the witch? Huh? Here, can you help us make a plan for our disease? Or do you want more? That's what we need. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Come on. Oh, here comes the nervous laughter. Heat.
Hugas ko ng kamay ko tatapos na.
Hindi ko makuha guys, sarap.
To slow down someone. Ooh, a riddle. Fuzzy toes. Fuzzy toes. Ooh, what's that smell? It's nice. What? Oh, it's nice. So, what are you doing here exactly? Oh, for eyes. For our eyes.
Teka.
Oh, yeah. Just came
Oh.
out of the bodies. Oh, what
Salamat.
is there something else we can make? Hey, that news. We're out of ingredients. Oh,
Tayo ka tayo ha. mo sa chicken ko. Bleh. Charot.
He opened the parcel and took out a small black pill. Then he hid the pill in a
Ako
closet
kumain.
and trusted the police to give it to his brother.
Sino
Because
to
his
ba?
brother was about to be put to death and only the pill could save him. And was convinced that it was not an ordinary cross. So he began to rummage through
Matagal na isda. Ano, Papa?
He found a little pill and a little note about the time to take it. When the time came,
Hmm?
he swallowed the pill
May
instantly.
pamakape.
He began to vomit and have diarrhea, and the prison guards had to take him to hospital.
Oh, di ba ba? Ang tanga ngayon, Islande.
Hospital with the air ducts. On the other side, his
Binigyan natin tao. Wala akong pasalamat.
but just as he reaches the hospital, he discovers
Buti, malaki yun. Hindi o kayo maliit. Wala to. Kakabatrip! Oo, orange pa. Kamay. Ay, Ayan. Yan na tayo binigay ko sa'yo. Wala naman sa akin na. O, yan pa. Ayan. Ito mo. Nasa papupunas mo sa bibis. Yan na. Ito pa nga ako eh. Pakita mo na ako. Nakita mo ako. Nakakatawa nila ako ng bibig ko. Nakakatawa, promise. Hindi ka lang talaga. Talaga yun eh. Gutom na nga ako. Hindi ako makakasave. Nagmunog to. Konti-konti lang ako. Yak lang. Isa